Is this clipper the closest thing to a magic clip? We'll see. What's good, YouTube? I'm back with another video. Today, I got something different. Shout out to William Sport Bowman, Barber Supply. I won a giveaway. That being said, package. Yes, sir, we have a package. I woke up to a message from them that said I won a giveaway. I completely forgot I even joined the giveaway. I feel like I never win anything. So shout out to them. I really appreciate it. And it's cool to finally win a giveaway, man. Now let's see what we got here. All right, we got stickers. These are actually some nice stickers. William Sport Barber Supply. Yes, sir. We got this one. This one's tough. I like this one. So more stickers to put on the mirror, which is dope. And we got the Wahl Super Taper. Yes, sir. The Wahl Super Taper. Now, if you've been following my channel for a while, you know that I do not review many Wahl clippers. My entire career, I've used clippers that fit the purple and this magnet guards. So this is going to be something interesting for me. I'm not against Wahl. I love their trimmers, their clippers. I just didn't start barber school using them. One of the reasons I wanted to try this clipper was because of the blade. The new blade looks very interesting. It says it has a stagger tooth blade, a rotary motor. I do feel like all Wahl clippers are lightweight, so that's always a plus. It comes with 10 guards, 6,500 RPM, up to 100-minute run time, 60-minute charge time. That's a little below average for most clippers that I get, so we'll see how that goes. But I will say this packaging feels like something newer for Wahl, so I do like it. It feels like they're upgrading a little bit, you know what I mean? I feel like for a long time with the Wahl packaging, it was all the same every single time. All right, let's see. Okay. Now the thing with Wahl for me was always the fact that all their clippers felt the same. This is a nice shiny blue. I like the color. I like the color a lot. I do like the color. Take the blade off. When I see reviews of this blade, I thought it was a lot slimmer, more like a trimmer blade, but it's not, and I don't mind that at all. It's shaped like a trimmer blade, but it is bigger than a trimmer blade. Now let me say this. One issue I've always had, the reason I didn't like Wahl clippers is because the clipper didn't open up that wide. This clipper here opens up pretty wide. It looks like it opens to a 1 or maybe even farther than that. I use a fast feed a lot of times. Now I've gotten to other clippers, but they usually open a little bit wider than a Wahl used to, than an original magic clip used to. So this is really cool, and it's something I'm definitely interested in. So you got the blade. This is the new Super Taper blade. It has a stagger tooth cutting blade. You got the nice blue, your usual Wahl body style. I'm interested to see what's in this box. So, all right, I'm a little let down. I feel like I'm let down because these are the original. If you can see that, these are the original Wahl guards. They're not premium guards. It would have been cool to get premium guards in here, especially since I feel like those are the signature. Those are the standard now in the industry. Everyone loves the premium guards. The Wahl comb. Haven't had one of these since barber school. So my very first pair of Wahl clippers I got in barber school, they were the seniors. The corded seniors. They were heavy. Comes with a charger, but no charging stand. And oil with the clipper brush. Cool. I'm not mad at it. So we're gonna put these on the charger for a little bit. I'll charge them up and then we can start using them. I do have guards that I'm probably gonna use with these that are not the old Wahl guards. So if you see me with something different on the clipper, just know it's something different. I do have double magnet guards. I have precision guards, Babyliss, JRL Stylecraft. So we'll see which ones feel right on this clip. At the moment, this clipper goes for $134.99, so $135, which is not a bad price. I feel like clipper prices are coming down, which is great because for a minute there, it was getting a little high. It was getting a little outrageous. We started to get into the 300 and all that. I understand the tariffs is crazy, but come on, man. Not every barber is looking to spend 300 right away. Now let's check out this clipper. I gave it a chance. I tried it out. The results for me are interesting. I tried it out on straight hair. I didn't zero gap it. I wasn't really a fan of it. Then I gave it a second chance on curly hair, coarse hair, and I did like it. The problem with this machine is the fact that it is the same machine, right? It's the same body as the Magic Clip, as the Wahl Senior, as the Wahl Legend. I feel like with this much technology, we need something new. You know what I mean? We need something more innovative. There's too much technology out here for them to still be doing 100-minute runtime. If you're looking for something like a Magic Clip, this is a great option. This is definitely a great option. It's a great price, $134.99. $135. But if you already have a Magic Clip, if you can just buy this blade, that would be cool. I'm not sure if they have it available or not, but if you could just buy the blade, that would be cool. But to me, there are more options with longer battery life. The blade doesn't get hot, anything like that. It looks like it opens to about a 1, which is something that I was very impressed with. I do like the fact that this opens to a 1. The guys in the shop, they do like this clipper a lot. Will I keep this on my station? I'm still debating, because I do have so many more options that have a little bit longer battery life and that do the same thing that this clipper does. If I didn't, that would be another story. I'm not mad at this clipper at all. I just feel like we're at a point where batteries should last a little bit longer than this one does. Also, I understand clippers around this price range don't come with a dock. That may be an issue for some people that may not. Some of you may already have a dock for it. With that being said, like, subscribe. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.